Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
How many members in the United States? I'm told 2,000. Is that correct? Approximately.
That they can say.
Well, our published figures worldwide are just 10,000. How much of that is in the United States? We don't do that for building houses.
Well, I did a story on this movement 5 years ago, and the figure at that time was 2,000 in the United States.
It is increasing.
It is increasing?
Oh yes, definitely.
So the worldwide figure is 10,000.
Yes, I understood.
Oh, sorry.
Could you tell me how old you are?
He wants to know your age to verify this.
After 1 month I will be 80.
80?
80 years.
What will happen?
I was born in 1896. Now you can calculate.
What will happen to the movement in the United States when you die?
I will never die. I shall live for my books and he will utilize.
Are you training a successor?
Yes. My Guru Maharaj is there. Where is my photo of Guru Maharaj? Okay. Here it is.
Why does the Hare Krishna movement not engage in social protest?
We are the best social worker. People are fools and rascals. We are teaching them nice idea of God consciousness. We are the best social worker. We'll stop all crimes. What is your social work? Producing hippies and criminals. That is not social work. Social work means the population must be very peaceful, wise, intelligent, God-conscious, first-class man. That is social work. If you produce some 4th class, 5th class, 10th class of men, what is social work? We are producing that. Just see, we are first-class men. They do not have any bad habit, illicit sex, intoxication, meat eating, or gambling. They are all young men. They are not addicted to all these things. This is social work.
They want to know what will be the political effect of the Hare Krishna movement.
Everything will be polished if Hare Krishna movement is taken. Jasyasti bhakti bhagavat akinchana sarvaiganai tattva samasatesu. If this God consciousness is spread, then everyone will be brilliantly qualified. And without God consciousness, the so-called education, as we were discussing in the morning, there is no value in it. Simply they are talking. What is the subject matter we are talking?
Psychology this morning.
The result is the students are falling down from the tower in disappointment. And they are protected with glass.
In the Bell Tower on Berkeley campus, students in the 60s would jump from that tower to kill themselves. But they put glass there to stop the students from jumping. So Prabhupada was explaining that is their education. That after getting their education, they have to jump to commit suicide.
This is not education. Vidya dadati namrata. Educated means he is humble, gentle, sober, full of knowledge, practical application in life of knowledge, tolerant, control of the mind, control of the senses. That is education. What is this education?
Are you attempting to form a college?
Yes. That is my next attempt, that we shall educate according to classification, first class, second class, third class, up to fourth class. And then fifth class, sixth class, that is automatically there. The first class man, there must be, at least in the society, an ideal class of man. And that is one who is trained up for controlling the mind, controlling the senses, very clean, truthful, tolerant, simplicity, full of knowledge, practical application of knowledge in life, and full faith in God. This is first class.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.